August 28th, 2025, account update. So this week, the market's been a little choppy, but overall, we're in the green. The S&P is up 1.7%. And just to give you an overview of the entire account, so we're sitting at a net liquidation value of $50,643. Just 8 days ago, it was 50,000 flat. So we're up a little over a percent, which I like to see. It's been a good week. And this is where we're sitting at with our positions. So I mentioned in the last few videos that I was purchasing these high distribution ETFs. I haven't received any distributions just yet because they all pay monthly and I've only held them for a week. I should be receiving my first distributions in September. Going down to my SOXL, this is my wheel trade. I'm just selling puts and I'm also laddering out those puts. So the 24 put I sold last week. I did roll it up a few days ago, and then I deployed another put this week. I haven't managed that one quite yet. I need to manage this one because it's over 50%. So tomorrow I'll likely just roll that up depending on how the market opens. If not, I'm not too stressed about it. And then next week I'll deploy a third put. So I'll have a laddered wheel trade on SOXL. TQQQ, I'm just doing one put because it's a larger product. I don't want to get too concentrated in one underlying. So I'm only going to sell one put at a time. I did roll that up today. Also, down here at the bottom, we got our SPX put credit spread strategy. I did roll that up today too. So we'll talk a little bit about that. Overall, accounts performing well, markets performing well, keeping up with the market. I will provide more updates as I start rolling positions and collecting distributions. Okay, so starting with the transactions, I did roll out my SPX put spread. I kept the strikes the same because it was still about 10% below our current price. Upon buying back my put spread, I profited about $80 in premium. That's cash on cash, meaning I sold it for $290 and I bought it back for $205 after commissions and fees. That gave me about 80 bucks in profit. And then moving up to the TQQQ, I bought back the 82 put for $80 and I had sold it for $161 after commissions and fees, also about $80 in profit. So all in all for Thursday, I profited just about 160 bucks cash on cash. And then I went ahead and just redeployed the capital, the 87 put, and sold that for $235. So the whole strategy here with managing the trades is that I want to beat the expected theta decay. So just to make things simple, say I sold a put and collected $100 and it expired 10 days from now. My expected theta or time decay per day would be $10 per day. If in the first day I'm already profitable by $30, I'm going to go ahead and manage that position early because I made $30 in one day. There's no point in waiting 9 more days just to make the other 70% of that premium. I've already 3x'd my expected daily return. So I'll go ahead and take those profits. And that's what happened with SPX. I beat my daily expected, so I went ahead and just took it off, rolled it out, gave myself more time in duration, but didn't take on any more risk because the strike prices are the same. And then I was able to collect that premium as well. So I locked in a profit. I was able to roll out in time. TQQQ did the same thing, beat my daily expected. I was around the 50% mark for profit. That's my other criteria for taking profit. Either it's beating daily expected or it's hitting that 50% mark. In those two scenarios, I'm going to go ahead and take profits. With TQQQ, that's exactly what I did. Bought it back for 80 and then redeployed that capital. Went out in duration. So I went out one more week because I like to be 4 weeks out. And then went to the 30 delta, found the 87 strike and sold it for $235. So that's my update for August 28th. I'll also provide another update this weekend to kind of go over how the account's been doing, what changes I'm going to make moving forward. That's my update for August 28th. Take care and God bless.